But if you don't know who your target audience is, and if you don't have analytics to back it up, you have to test, right? So you can assume all you want, but you have to test and see how it works. You know, if you try that 50-year-old male audience, doesn't work, you post for 6 months, you're not really hitting the mark, try something new. The way that we do that when we launch all our new clients is we take them through a persona sheet, persona assessment. Who's here heard of personas or ideal client avatars? Okay, it's essentially a fictional person. It's like an aggregate character of who you actually think that perfect client would be for you and that perfect service. So it might be Jane and John Doe. Okay, they're a 32-year-old husband and wife, married for 5 years. They live, they want to move, they're currently renting, they want to move into the house with the white picket fence in the nice neighborhood. They make $200,000. We want to get that specific, right? Make up a character that matches your perfect client. And then what you want to do is outline the pain points, like what keeps them up at night, what do they actually need help with, okay? And then solve all their problems. And if you can solve all their problems, you can make content about solving their problems.